Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. First of all, close background apps, then disable automatic media download. First of all, launch the Telegram app on your phone, tap on the three horizontal lines on your upper left and select settings. If you're using Telegram on iPhone, navigate to the settings tab in the bottom right corner, go to data and storage, then toggle off the automatic media download using mobile data, Wi-Fi and roaming, then disable data saver, open the settings app, go to network and internet and turn off data saver from the following menu. Launch the settings app and select Wi-Fi, then tap the info icon next to your Wi-Fi network and turn off the switch next to low data mode. If you're using Telegram on mobile data, you open the settings app and navigate to mobile data options, then disable low data mode, enable or disable VPN connection, reset network settings, and finally change DNS server. Open the settings app and navigate to network and internet, tap on private DNS and select private DNS provider host name. Type a custom server into the address field. For instance, if you wish to use Google DNS server, type dns.google and hit save.